dogs in the cause.
Good evening, YouTubers. It's Daniel from D&D Bow Fishing Outfitters. Today, sorry about the other day when we didn't have like a whole lot of videos for y'all on teal hunting for early season. During the season, on opening day, when on our way back home, my buddy James, he was driving my vehicle and we got in a car wreck. Well, anyways, we're both okay. But it kind of ended our early teal season. But finally got to go see the truck. Finally got my guns back from the police, of course. And my 12 gauge was totally broke, so I had to go buy a new one. So this season coming in November, I'm going to be shooting me a good old Stoger. Yeah, good old Stoger for opening day of duck season. But other than that, it's a 12 gauge, shoots 2 3/4, 3 inch, 3.5 inch shells. So if you want to see the other shotgun, see what you think about it. If you want to take a look at that, comment below. Let me know if you want to see it. I'll do a video showing you how it broke, and we did everything to try to get a part to try to fix it, but apparently the people that made it was Winchester, and apparently they closed down, so I had to find a way. Apparently Winchester shut down and another people bought them out, but the two numbers that they have on the website is non-working numbers, so I can't get a hold of them. But anyways, I went to Academy today and went and bought the old Stoger 12 gauge pump action that shoots all 3 shells like my old one. But anyways, here we go. Got the old shotgun here today. Oh, and also if you're a new person watching this, subscribe, hit that like button. Try to figure out how this one goes again. Oh. It's gonna be really, really tricky of learning how to use a new shotgun now. Because I'm so used to using my old one, so the new one's gonna be a little bit more difficult. Don't you just hate that when you're hunting and you gotta buy a new gun and stuff, and then you gotta retrain yourself how to reuse. Uh-oh. Does not want to work today. Don't know how they did it. Somehow they got this piece right here to work perfectly. Alrighty then. Alright, so let's see what we got now. Alrighty then, now we got it. Alright. Alrighty. But yeah, so it's going to be the new gun this year. If I can get to work, it'll go on perfectly. But anyways, it is the new gun that I'll be using this season. Well, I say this season, if it'll work. Oh, done with that. So now I just got two. Alright, there we go. Now let's try this again without the shotgun. Maybe possibly breaking. Okay, so apparently, trying to figure out how they did it in the store. I forgot how they did it, but I do know it was like similar to. Don't know why this one wants to be so difficult. It wasn't being difficult at the store. But anyways, it is the new shotgun. Just like I said. There we go. Now it's the new shotgun. But the O Stoger. It's pretty good. Can't wait to use it for this season. This season will be, opening day will be November 2nd. And it gives enough time for at least enough time to save up a little bit of money and buy some more decoys, because just like I said, at that car wreck we lost a lot of stuff. Like for instance, my gun. We lost a few decoys. And 3, we also lost a canoe. The canoe got damaged. It's no longer able to use it. So, on top of that, the season just right around the corner, and me and him, we're steadily trying to get everything together to where we'll be able to hunt this year. This year, it might not. I mean, I got a little 10-foot John bow. We might use that this season. But for right now, the canoe might not be usable this year, and I don't think I'll be able to get one in time this year. So, if we do, we'll be using that a lot too, because some spots we use a canoe more than we do a John boat or kayaks and stuff like that. But anyways, it's a new Roger. You know how our government is trying to find a way to get rid of our guns. So, if you like the old Ruger shotgun, plus the guns in general, just guns in general, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit the bell for notifications for every other video that I'll be posting of hunting and stuff like that. Um, but other than that, comment below of what you think about our government nowadays with the gun rights. You think they should take our guns, or you think they should just mind their own business? Um, Other than that, there's not much I can say besides see you later and see you next time.